The Orange County Clerk of Courts has a self-help center for residents. Named in honor of the late Orange County Clerk of Courts Lydia Gardner, the self-help center was created to provide customers with limited legal guidance and low-cost attorney consultations. The center is the first of its kind in Orange County community to help citizens who either don't have a lawyer or who can't afford one. Manager Roberta Walton explains how the center works. In full disclosure, Roberta and I went to FAMU College of Law.
Yes.
It's so good to see you and
so
welcome.
Good to see you.
Welcome.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Tell us about the Self-Help Center.
Oh my gosh, the Self-Help Center opened its doors in September of 2015. We had a real soft opening in August, but 2015 really expressly was our grand opening. The Self-Help Center really and truly is it's really carrying through the vision of our own clerk, Tiffany Moore Russell, who had her legal career kicked off at Legal Services. Okay. It's actually where Clerk Russell and I met for the first time. And so she was an advocate of housing law. During that era. And if you know anything about legal services, it is funded through the federal government and some dollars through the state. But there are a lot of people that they have to turn away because they just don't have the funding to assist them. And so during that era, you know, in the early 2000s, when Clerk Russell was working at Legal Services, I think it remained on her heart throughout her political career. She left Legal Services and was elected to the Orange County Board of Commissioners, and now being the Clerk of Court, that was one of the early projects that she walked through the door saying, this is something I want to fulfill. I want to make sure that when people come walking through the doors of the courthouse and they're coming through with no expectations because they really don't know what they need. Right. Yeah, they're asking the questions with the expectation that the staff there at the courthouse, that they're gonna somehow help them and give them some direction and some guidance. And so she went on this kind of benchmarking trip to adopt best practices throughout the region, not even just the state. And she put together this Self-Help Center project to provide services to individuals who are attempting to represent themselves in family law matters, all family law matters, residential landlord-tenant matters, and small claims matters, which is, you know, when people are being sued for $5,000 and below. Those are the three case types that, well, generalized case types that are saw at the Self-Help Center. And then she went into partnership with the Orange County Bar Association, partnered with them to adopt a panel of attorneys, licensed practitioners right here locally, that were willing to come to the Self-Help Center Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in downtown Orlando, and on Tuesdays in our Apopka branch office from 8 to 4. They're there to provide advice, guidance, counsel, forms assistance, and just to provide some general direction about how to represent yourself to local residents.
Is a sign up necessary? Like if that?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm glad you asked that. Yes. Absolutely. On our website, and our website is www.myorangeclerk.com. You can go onto our website and schedule an appointment. You must schedule an appointment in order to see an attorney. It's $1 a minute, and those $1, I know, right? It's $1 a minute. It's done in 15-minute increments up to 60 minutes a day. But you can come back as many days as you like. You schedule the appointment in advance of your appointment, of your actual appointment, and it's non-refundable because it's $1 a minute, right? And it can't be rescheduled because once the time is gone, it's gone. But you can always reschedule. They're there from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and so all day long. And those appointments are scheduled. And if you don't have access to a computer, you can certainly come down to the Self-Help Center, which is located at the Orange County Courthouse in room 340, which is on the 3rd floor. And you can pay for an appointment in cash over the counter with one of the 4 designated clerks that work in the Self-Help Center. Because that's the great part. Not only do we offer the attorney services, but we also have 4 dedicated deputy clerks that provide a full scope of all of the services that you would get in one of our other divisions So you don't have to leave. Once you have your attorney appointment, you can actually go to the deputy clerks and they will assist you with filing. They assist you with looking over your forms, making sure that you've completed everything. And it's really a one-stop shop.
Thank you so much for sharing the Orange
it.
County
Yeah,
Self-Help
we're excited.
Center. Very useful information about the Orange County Self-Help Center. You may want to check them out if you're in need of legal services.